Hello, everyone. Welcome. I am so glad you are here. Do you want to speak English more fluently? Do you try to make long sentences, but the words get stuck? If you said yes, you are in the right place. Today, I will share 3 simple rules. These are not just grammar rules. They are secret keys. They unlock the way English speakers think. By the end of this video, you will know how to build long, clear sentences with confidence. And I will share a powerful secret about the English mindset at the very end. This secret will change how you listen and speak forever. So, let's begin. Part 1. The core idea. Main thing first. First, we need to understand a big idea. In English, the most important information always comes first. Think about your name. In many cultures, the family name is first. It shows your background. Then comes your personal name. But in English, it is the opposite. Your personal name is your first name. You come first. Your identity is the main point. Your family name comes second. It is the background. Let's look at another example. Imagine the Eiffel Tower. In your native language, you might say, in Paris, the Eiffel Tower. You set the scene first, the location. But in English, we say, the Eiffel Tower in Paris. We say the main subject first, the Eiffel Tower. Then we add the background information, in Paris. This simple idea is the foundation. Always start with the most important thing. This will make your speaking and listening much easier. Part 2. Secret rule number 1. Subject and verb are a team. This brings us to our first secret rule. The subject and verb are a team. They are always together at the start of a sentence. The subject is the who or what. The verb is the action. In English, we need to know the action immediately. Imagine I say this, a marathon. You have to wait. Do I like the marathon? Do I watch the marathon? You don't know the main point. Now, imagine I say this, I run. Instantly, you see a picture in your mind. You see me running. The main message is already delivered. This is why the subject and verb must be together. I run. He reads. She works. This is the heart of every English sentence. If you say the subject and verb, you have already communicated 50% of your message. So, first, say the action. I run. Then you can add the details. What do I run? A marathon. I run a marathon. This is secret rule number 1. Subject plus verb. Always start here. Part 3. Building with PMT. So, how do we make longer sentences? This is where many learners feel lost, but it is simple with secret rule number 2. The rule is PMT. P-M-T. What does this mean? P is for place, where. M is for manner, how. T is for time, when. After your subject and verb, you add details in this order. Place, manner, time. Why this order? Because place is very concrete. You can see it or touch it. Manner, or how you do something, is the next detail. Time is the most abstract idea. You cannot see or touch time, so it comes last. Let's use an example. I go to work. Many of us do this every day. Let's make this sentence longer using PMT. First, the subject and verb. I drive. Good start. The main action is clear. Next, P for place. Where do I drive? I drive to work. Next, M for manner. How do I drive? I drive to work in my car. Here is a small tip for manner. For big public transport, like a bus or train, we use on. On the bus. On the train. For small private transport, like a car or taxi, we use in. In a car. In a taxi. Finally, T for time. When do I drive? I drive to work in my car every day. Look at that. You just built a long, perfect English sentence. I drive, subject plus verb. To work, place. In my car, manner. Every day, time. Practice this slowly. Say each part one by one. I drive to work in my car every day. When you feel comfortable, say it faster. I drive to work in my car every day. This is secret rule number 2, PMT. Part 4. Adding the why. You are doing great. We have one final rule. Sometimes we want to explain the reason for our action, the why. This is secret rule number 3. The rule is PMTR. We just add R at the end. R is for reason, why. In English, the conclusion is the most important part. The reason is extra information. So the reason almost always comes at the very end. Let's use our sentence again. I drive to work in my car every day. Now, let's add a reason. Why do I do this? The reason is that it is convenient. The word is convenient. It means easy and helpful. So we just add it to the end. I drive to work in my car every day because it's convenient. It's that simple. Don't put the reason at the beginning. Put the main point first. Put the reason last. This shows you understand how to think in English. Conclusion. The secret of the English mind. So, let's review our 3 secret rules. Subject plus verb. Start with the main action. PMT. Add details in the order of place, manner, time. PMTR. Add the reason at the very end. Now, for the big secret I promised you at the start. What is the secret of the English mind? It is this: efficiency. English is built for fast and clear communication. It wants the main point now, not later. The sentence structure is not just grammar. It is a reflection of a culture that values directness and clarity. When you say, I run, you are being efficient. When you say, I drive to work in my car every day, you are building information logically, from most important to least important. Understanding this will change everything. You are not just learning rules. You are learning a new way to think and structure your thoughts. Do not just memorize these rules. Practice them. Watch this video again. Listen to the rhythm of the sentences. Try making your own sentences using S plus V, then PMT, then PMTR. Start simple. Be consistent. You have the keys now. You can unlock fluent English speaking. You can build long sentences. You can communicate your ideas with power and with clarity. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.